Hello food lovers! These cake-like brownies have a fluffy texture and a great chocolate flavor. The recipe is super simple to make and the result is mouth-watering. In the saucepan, melt 200 grams unsalted butter together with 190 milliliters milk, 500 grams sugar and 4 tablespoons of cocoa. Whisk until the butter is melted and the cocoa is well incorporated. When the mixture starts to boil and the level is rising, remove it from heat. We will take 15 tablespoons of the mixture in order to use them at the end of the recipe. Add 4 egg yolks one at a time and stir fast to avoid cooking it. Let it rest until completely cooled. The next step is to whisk the egg whites until stiff. Add the chocolate mixture and whisk until the mixture comes together. Combine 10 grams of baking powder with 200 grams of all-purpose flour and incorporate them in the chocolate mixture. Grease the baking pan with butter, dust it with flour and finish by removing the excess of flour. Pour the brownie mixture and bake it for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Remove from the oven and spread the remaining chocolate mixture on top of our brownie. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try. And if you did, don't forget to give a like and leave a comment. If you want to see more secrets in the oven recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time!